Are you looking for the easiest way to play a 1-4-5 chord progression on the piano? There are thousands of pop, blues, and rock songs you can play using the 1-chord, 4-chord, and 5-chord. In order to make these chords super easy to play, we're going to use inversions to put these chords closer together. That means that for some of these chords, we'll be playing the notes in an order that might be new to you. Let's start with a C major triad. This is our 1 chord. On the right hand, you have C with the thumb, E with the middle finger, and G with the pinky. Great. I'm going to keep my hand in place and show you the transition to our 4 chord, or the F major chord. I'm keeping my thumb in place on the C chord, and I'm moving both my middle finger and my pinky up one white key, so that I end up with my middle finger on F and my pinky on A. Once you know the move, practice the transition back and forth between C and F. Keeping my hand in place for our F chord, let's look at the transition from F to our 5 chord. I'm going to take the shape I've got, and each of my fingers, thumb, middle, and pinky, is going to move up a whole step, or one white key, so that I end up with my thumb on D, my middle finger on G, and my pinky on B. Once you've found your G chord, practice moving between F and G. Once you're feeling comfortable with each shape, try moving through the progression slowly, playing whole notes. C, F, G, and back to C. And what about the left hand? I like to start with the root notes on the left hand, and you can play this progression without moving your left hand at all. Put your left thumb on C, and your pinky is going to fall on F, and your ring finger is on the note G. Practice with whole notes first. C, F, G, and back to C. After you've practiced each hand separately, match your left hand root notes to your right hand chords. Again, start with whole notes. C, F, G, and back to C. And there you go. A quick, easy way to play through a 1-4-5 chord progression in the key of C on piano. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so that we know you want to see more topics like this. We've got a whole team of music teachers answering questions and bringing you awesome lessons and tutorials every week. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video. And if you're looking for a complete piano education, click the link to visit hoffmanacademy.com. See you next time.